Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial um, we will calculate MEG, mean effective gain of MIMO antenna. So here you can see this is the frequency and this is on vertical axis. The value of MEG is shown over there. So here mean effective gain is explained in this paper. The value of MEG should be, mean effective gain should be less than minus 3 dB and must be greater than minus 12 dB. So, and this is the formula of MEG. So here in CST I have simulated my 2x1 MIMO antenna. I have to find the value of MEG. Mean effective gain I have calculated with the help of far fields and post processing. So for that, first of all you will need to design a MIMO antenna. After designing your antenna and simulation section, you will come to field monitor, far field view. You will select far field and you will need number of samples, multiple number of samples. So for that you will select the place of frequency samples linear, and here you can change number of samples, and by applying and pressing OK you will find field monitor is like that. By pressing after simulation, by pressing that and after simulating your antenna, you will find far field is like that. So I have already get these far field, so I'm coming to post processing, template based post processing, and here you can see far field and antenna property is selected over here. Now I'm coming to far field. So mean effective gain is the option of mean effective gain is not shown over here. So either you can select MIMO gain diversity or envelope correlation coefficient, depends upon you, and then you will come to setting and then you will change. You can select mean effective gain over here, and you will need to just browse monitor. So I'm selecting 0.71, which is a second operating band, and now I'm coming to MIMO, and here you can see mean effective gain is by default selected over here. So here you will just need to browse your results. So I'm browsing this, and by pressing OK, again OK, here you can see mean effective gain is selected over here. So I'm just evaluating it. After a few minutes you will get mean effective gain. So here you can see our mean effective gain is calculated, and at 0.71 this value is equal to minus 2.995 or 8, whatever you say, and at this frequency this value is equal to almost minus 2.998, and here this is 2.998. So for now, take care, bye bye.